Welcome back to Vettepros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 1985 C4 Corvette L98 engine. This engine starts right up when you turn the key. This is the 230 horsepower L98 engine. It has 80,000 miles on it. As you can see, this engine runs strong. It has no leaks, no knocking or ticking. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or a wonderful starting point for your retro rod or hot rod. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 704-320-0073. Thanks for looking.